I'm Jessica Krantz, 3rd grade teacher at Friendship Valley Elementary School. I'm here today to talk to you about how we can use the bar model to help us solve multiplication and division word problems. Our first problem is Thomas places 3 photos on each page of his scrapbook. How many photos can Thomas put on 7 pages? So the first step of our problem is to write down who the problem's about. In this one, it is about Thomas, so we write down Thomas. The next step is to read each sentence one at a time. Thomas places 3 photos on each page of his scrapbook. So I'm going to underline 3 photos on each page, because that's important. Then we give Thomas a bar, and we know that there has to be 3 photos on each page, so we're going to put a 3 in the bar. The next sentence says, how many photos can Thomas put on 7 pages? So since one page has 3, we would need to add 6 more pages that are the same size. 4, 5, 6, 7. And they each need 3 photos on each. So to figure out the answer, the question is how many could he put on all 7 pages? So our question mark goes at the end. And to figure out the answer, we would need to do 7 times 3. Some 3rd graders are not ready for 7 times 3, so another way to solve it would be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 more, 7 3s. And either way, the answer is 21. So Thomas can put 21 photos in his scrapbook. Let's try another example. This time it's a division problem. Shannon ran a total of 12 miles in 6 days. How many miles did she run each day if she ran the same amount of miles per day? So again, the first step is we need to write down who the problem's about. So the problem's about Shannon. Then we read each sentence one at a time. Shannon ran a total of 12 miles in 6 days. So the first part that's important is a total of 12 miles. So I know my whole bar needs to be worth 12. The second part that's important is that we know that it's over 6 days. So we need to divide the bar into 6 equal parts. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then the next sentence says, how many miles did she run each day if she ran the same amount of miles per day? So we're looking for how many miles for each of these bars, these individual parts. So to solve that, you would do 12 divided by 6 equals something. Now, if students are not ready for division, they could think about it as 6 times what would give you 12. And either way, we know that the answer is 2. So each of these would be worth 2. So Shannon ran 2 miles per day. And that is how you use the bar model to solve multiplication and division word problems.